Hello? Today we will be unboxing and setting up the Clover weight scale. Let's start by unpacking all the items in the box. After opening the box, the first few items you will see are a packet of warning Clover stickers, the Clover weight scale quick start guide, the KS weight scale user manual, the power adapter, the Clover connection cable, the weight scale top, the mounting balance topper, and the weight scale itself. Now, unpack and assemble the scale. Remove the packaging from the scale, the topper, and the metal top. The plastic balance topper inserts into the four corner stands on top of the scale. These are the pressure sensors. The four pegs on the topper should fit into these holes. Then place the metal top over the plastic topper. For now, we are going to remove them to install the cables. First, flip the unit over and locate the power and connection port. Take the power adapter and plug it into the power port. Next, take the connection cable out of the bag and untie it. Now carefully examine the plug for the connection cable. The shape of the plug must match the shape of the port on the scale. If it is misaligned and you attempt to force it, you could bend the pins and damage the cable. After it is plugged in, screw down the connector to make sure it does not move. Now plug the power adapter into an outlet. Place the toppers back onto the scale. We are now ready to move on to the setup of the scale on your Clover POS. First, plug the scale into your Clover POS hub using the USB cable. Next, turn on the scale. Now remove the protective film from the screen and the buttons so you can read your scale more clearly. You will now notice that the scale is already zeroed out and set to pounds. You can change the weight type by pressing the unit button. The choices are pounds, ounces, grams, and kilograms. If you want to use a basket or tray to hold items you are placing onto the scale, but do not want the tray to be part of the total weight, you first place the tray empty on the scale. Then press the 0 button. This will bring the scale back to 0 with the tray on it. If you want to remove the tray and reset the weight, simply remove the tray and press the 0 button again. The Clover weight scale is now ready to be used. For more information on setting up the scale with the POS system, please refer to the inventory management video in our Clover series.